A lot of excitement after hours Tuesday as Twitter reports second quarter earnings. The numbers look pretty good. Revenue and earnings both exceeded analysts' expectations and Twitter's own guidance. And so when the numbers first came out, Twitter stock went up 5 or 6% after hours. But as executives started talking on their conference call with investors and analysts, investors lost some of their enthusiasm, and by late in the afternoon, the stock was actually down 10%. And the main reason for that was because Twitter posted very little growth in users. Interim CEO Jack Dorsey and CFO Anthony Noto were both very sober about when and how long it's going to take for that user number to grow more robustly. And of course, the other issue which didn't get addressed on the call was leadership at the company. Former CEO Dick Costolo resigned on July 1. Dorsey, who was one of the co-founders of Twitter, stepped back in for his second stint as CEO, nominally on an interim basis, although there's a lot of speculation that Dorsey will stay in the job more permanently. That's complicated because Dorsey's also running his payment startup called Square, which the Journal reported last week has filed confidentially for its own IPO. That issue basically went unaddressed on the call. When we asked him about it after the analyst call, he didn't answer us either. And so we don't really know any more about who's going to be leading Twitter and whether Dorsey is or is not a candidate. So way more excitement than usual after hours today from Twitter.